Hey there, fellow investors and Gen Z enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not just relevant but absolutely crucial for the future of personal finance: investment apps tailored for Gen Z in the global South. Now, you might be thinking, why is this such a big deal? Well, personally, I think it's a game changer. You see, the traditional investment landscape often feels like an exclusive club, with high barriers to entry and complicated interfaces that can intimidate newcomers. But these innovative apps are breaking down those barriers, making investing accessible and exciting for a whole new generation. Let's take a closer look at some of these apps and the unique features they offer. First up, we have Alinea Invest. This US-based fintech startup is all about simplifying the investing process for Gen Z beginners. With a goal-based approach, Alinea helps users set specific financial targets like saving for college or building a retirement fund. And the best part? They make it easy to get started with a diversified portfolio using ETFs and fractional shares. But here's where it gets interesting. Alinea also introduces AI Ally, a personal finance coach that acts as your digital investment advisor. This AI assistant helps you build realistic plans and navigate the world of investing with confidence. It's like having your own financial mentor in your pocket. Next, we have Bamboo, an app that gives Gen Z investors in the global South easy access to global stocks. With commission-free trading and fractional shares, users can own a piece of popular American brands like Apple or Tesla without breaking the bank. And the best part? The account minimum is set at $0, meaning anyone can start trading with just $1. Bamboo is also highly popular with younger demographics, with 83% of its users being 35 or under. This just goes to show that when you make investing accessible and user-friendly, young people are more than willing to engage. Now, let's talk about Chaka, a digital sub-broker licensed by the Nigerian Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). Chaka bridges the gap between local and global investments, offering a highly regulated and secure environment. With a low account minimum of just $10, users can easily buy stocks, mutual funds, or even crypto assets right from their phones. Chaka's Smart Invest feature is particularly impressive. It automatically manages a ready-made portfolio for you, taking the guesswork out of investing and ensuring your wealth grows hands-off. Rise, or RiseVest as it's also known, is another app focused on long-term wealth growth. It functions more like a digital wealth manager, with experts curating specific portfolios to balance risk and reward. Rise recently acquired Chaka, expanding its digital footprint and bringing its user base to over 620,000 in 2025. And finally, we have Trove, an app that makes investing simple and flexible for new users. With a low account minimum, Trove welcomes small amounts, allowing users to buy fractional shares in companies worldwide. Trove supports commission-free trading on many assets, making it affordable to build a diversified portfolio over time. But what really sets Trove apart is its focus on educational resources aimed at Gen Z investors. With an easy-to-use interface, Trove helps young users manage their brokerage accounts right from their phones, providing a seamless and stress-free investing experience. So, what are some key features that Gen Z investors should look for in these apps? Well, commission-free trading is a big one, as it opens up investing to all, regardless of the size of their funds. Fractional shares are also crucial, allowing users to invest in big-name companies without a large lump sum. Low or zero minimum deposit requirements are a must, as they welcome new investors and students who may not have much saved yet. Strong educational resources, user-friendly interfaces, portfolio management tools, and cash management accounts are also essential for building trust and ease of use. And let's not forget about data security and customer support. With personal details and assets at stake, these features are non-negotiable. In conclusion, these investment apps are not just changing the game for Gen Z investors in the global South, they're revolutionizing it. By making investing accessible, user-friendly, and educational, these apps are empowering a whole new generation to take control of their financial futures. So, if you're a Gen Zer looking to get started with investing, these apps are a great place to begin your journey. With their help, you can grow your wealth, learn smart money habits, and take a healthier approach to personal finance in growing markets. Thanks for joining me on this exploration, and remember, Investing is not just for the wealthy or the experienced, it's for everyone.